Hi, welcome traders. Welcome to JJP Trading Academy. Welcome to one and all present in this video. If you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the Bank Nifty Direct Index analysis for 27th December 2021. So Monday market we are going to analyze in this video, and we will be providing the most important levels to trade for 27th December 2021. So don't skip this video till the end, then only you can understand what are the support and resistance present here. So as a basic, I have plotted a main range for the market. So I will be showing it right now. So you just see here. Now I have plotted the main levels. Here is 35,043 is the main level. So I have given a range from here to here, because this range will be reacting as an resistance. First of all, if the market is from the closing of the candle, if the market is gap up somewhat, otherwise if the market is not gap up or gap down, it's in a neutral range, then we can expect the market to be giving any rejections in this level. So once you get a perfect rejection candles between this rejection range, this is the rejection range for 27th December. So these two rejection ranges will be reacting more powerful. So once we are getting any rejection candles in 35,043, it will be reacting more powerful. As well as these are the rejection range, I am going to say it here, considered here. And as well as for the sell side movement, if the market is gap up, then if we are expecting the market to move downside, otherwise we need consideration for rejection, or otherwise if the market need to be break out this range, then only the market will be moving for downside entry. This is the two important range for the tomorrow market. So consider these two ranges as a rejection ranges. The levels I will be saying perfectly. The main rejection range here starts from 35,043 till the high of 35,145. So these two are the main rejection range for upside, as well as once this rejection range breaks, only the market will be reacted for upside. If you are getting a high gap up, then this will be reacting as a supports. So if right now in the market, if there is no gap up, big gap up, then we can expect it as a resistance for our trade entries. So once this resistance breaks, then only we can expect the market for higher side move. So I am going to plot the center level right now. So 34,956 is the main center level. So let us plot this level as a center level. So this levels decides that the market is in a bullish move or bearish move. Once the market is above, it started trading above this center level, then we can consider the market to be bullish. Once again, it need to be break this range, otherwise it need to be consolidate in this range only. So this is the main condition for the center level. So center level decides the market will be started from the bullish move, otherwise in the bearish move. So until that, the market will be reacting according to the center level only. And second, once we started trading the market, if it is giving a rejection here with a perfect rejection candle like sell side pin bar, if we are considering sell side pin bar or sell retraced candle with big spike, then we should consider that type of candles to take a sell entry. So according to that, if you are taking any sell entry in this rejection levels, so you just consider the main rejection level, this bottom 35,043. So this is the starting, I have already said. So 35,043 will be reacting more powerful according to the backtest I have given these levels. So once if you are getting a rejection candle here, and if you are taking a sell side position here, means then we need to expect for the target level. Once after this rejection levels breaks, then only we can expect for a big target. Until that you can trade till this target level. The target level starting the main level is, so for the sell side main retracement level we can consider as 34,869. This is somewhat a small resistance, but once the market breaks this level we can expect the market for the target levels as, so right now I will be plotting the target level for sell side entry. Once the market seems to be bearish and once it breaks this range, then we can expect the market to reach this main level. The yesterday low we can consider, because there is a sharp recovery once it reaches this yesterday low. So we are considering the yesterday low as a more powerful, because almost many points it has been given once after it is reaching the yesterday low. So right now we are going to plot the yesterday low as a main resistance, main support. So here I have plotted a next level for the target. So once it reaches this target can be a good target for the sell side entry. So for according to the sell analysis, if you are getting a sell pin bar, or if the market is breaking the center level, then we can expect the market to move for a sell entry till this level. And the target for buy side levels I am going to plot it right now. So just see for the buy side levels. So the buy side level, the first level 35,385. So let us consider the high of the previous day high as a first target level I am considering just. So this is the first target level for buy side entry. So second target for buy side entry will be 35,500. That's all. So right now we have plotted so these are the target levels. So I will be plotting in a green color for buy side, as well as for sell side I will be plotting the target level as red color. Then only you can consider. And I am going to plot the another sell side target level. That is the second target. I am going to plot the level 34,299. So this is the second target, and once if it is again and again reaching downside, then we can expect the market to finally reach this level. The third target 34,123. So finally we have plotted the center level and the main rejections level, as well as we have plotted for target levels also. So you just consider the market only once you are getting a perfect rejection candle in our levels, we can take an entry for buy or sell side move. The candle should be more powerful. So for example I will be showing you the sell side pin bars. So this is considered as a perfect sell side pin bar. So once you are getting a candles like this in our rejection levels, as well as for any other levels, the target, if the target reached also, you will be getting an entry for sell side. So once you are reaching any sell side pin bar levels, most probably we can expect the market to move for upside until there is a rejection and there is a breakout from this level. The candle should be perfect breakout, then we can expect for target 34,326 as a first target, and the second target 34,506 for the bullish move I am saying. And please consider this center level. Once the market starts, if the market is sustaining above the center level, then only we can expect for buy side move. If the market is again and again retracing in the sell side center level, then we can expect the market for sell side only. So most probably we need to expect for a sell side pin bar after the rejection candle, then only we can go for sell side move. That's all, the simple logic. you just trade with the perfect rejection candle, like at least the candle should have a big spike like this. So you can see in the trade entry at 10:35 there is a big spike candle, but it is a red candle only. Once if you are getting a high probable confirmation green candle, it's also a good confirmation, but most probably try to take entry in the high of the candle. Once you are getting a big rejection candle like this, you should take the entry in the high of the candle. That's all. So the main condition levels I have given here. So these levels will be reacting more powerful for the 27th December 2021. And if you have any other doubts with these levels, you can make a comment below. Thank you, traders.